The process begins in the field, where the
This green section right here is showing peak sugar content.
Confirmed. We'll schedule the harvest for this block immediately.
From the central control room, our team efficiently manages the logistics of the harvest.
Data logging is a critical step in the supply chain, allowing for real-time tracking of the sugar shipment.
Once harvested, the sugarcane is quickly delivered to the factory to begin the milling process.
Keep coming straight, nice and slow. All right, right there, hold it, wait for the sampler.
The freshly harvested sugarcane arrives at the mill, where massive crushers begin the extraction process.
The crushing station utilizes heavy-duty rollers to vigorously grind the sugarcane, extracting the sucrose-rich juice from the fibers.
Here at the milling station, the bagasse is compressed by heavy rollers, extracting the raw sugar juice, which then flows to the next stage.
The crushed cane, known as bagasse, enters the roller press, where the sucrose-rich juice is extracted.
After milling, the sugarcane juice, a murky green-brown liquid mixed with residual fibers, is collected here.
At the washing station, high-pressure hot water sprays the sugarcane fibers, maximizing the extraction of residual sugar.
The clarified sugarcane juice flows from the final roller presses, moving efficiently into the collection channel for the next stage of production.
The bagasse, or crushed sugarcane fiber, is fed into powerful presses to extract the remaining sweet juice.
The crushed sugarcane, or bagasse, is then washed with hot water to ensure maximum sugar extraction.
The remaining fibrous material, known as bagasse, is collected and moved along the conveyor system.
This rotating screen efficiently separates the liquid sugar from the fibrous cane material, known as bagasse. The sugarcane juice is carefully filtered, preparing it for the crystallization stage.
The heated sugarcane juice is then transferred to large vats for the clarification process, where impurities are removed.
The purification process begins as the milk of lime is vigorously stirred in these large vats. The addition of milk of lime raises the pH level, ensuring proper clarification as it reaches the critical 7.0 mark.
This is the clarification stage. The juice is heated, causing the impurities to coagulate and form a layer of mud on the surface.
The juice, carrying the precipitated mud, flows from the pipe into the large heater unit, where it is surrounded by steam and rapidly heated.
Precision is key. The control room operator fine-tunes the gauges, balancing the steam pressure for maximum efficiency. Here we see the raw sugarcane juice, thick and dark, beginning its journey through the purification process. Next, the turbulent, heated juice flows into the clarifier, beginning the crucial clarification stage of sugar production.
Hitting, the juice enters the clarifier tank. The clear golden liquid flowing over the weir signifies the removal of impurities before evaporation.
The clarified juice is now heated in these large vats, preparing it for the crystallization stage. The clear juice is then heated in large evaporators, concentrating the sugar solids and removing excess water.
The heated juice cascades into the massive evaporator tanks, where the water is boiled away, concentrating the sugar.
The sugar solution is heated until the water evaporates, leaving behind the raw sugar crystals. The mud filtering station uses a rotating screen to separate fine impurities from the amber-colored sugar liquid.
After clarification, the juice is evaporated and moves through the heat exchangers, seen here flowing through the transparent piping.
Here we see the filter cake being moved along the conveyor system. It is then piled up as a valuable byproduct of the sugar extraction process.
The concentrated syrup, now known as massiquite, enters the vacuum pans where it is boiled until the sugar begins to crystallize.
After several stages of boiling, the resulting thick, dark molasses is ready for the crystallizers.
The crystallization process begins as the concentrated syrup is heated in large vacuum pans.
In this close-up view, the magma or mother liquor is being seeded. The fine white powder entering the
The crystallization stage is critical. Here, the concentrated syrup is carefully monitored for temperature and density to maximize sugar recovery.
The rotating mixer separates the light brown sugar crystals from the dark residual syrup.
This thick, dark brown substance, known as molasses, is vigorously mixed by rotating blades before the crystallization process begins.
After the crystallization process, the remaining
The raw sugar undergoes affination, where a concentrated jet of hot water washes away the molasses layer, purifying the crystals.
Inside the centrifuge, the denser molasses is flung outward, leaving the pure white sucrose behind.
Inside the rotary dryer, the sugar tumbles through a stream of hot air. This crucial drying stage prepares the sugar for final screening.
The screening station separates the crystals by size using rapid vibration and multiple layers of fine mesh.
The refined sugar is then transported via high-speed conveyor belts into massive stainless steel silos for storage. Here we see the final stage. The refined sugar is precisely weighed, with the automated system guaranteeing 50 kilograms per bag. The automated packaging system utilizes robotic arms to efficiently stack the finished sugar onto pallets for distribution.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures the safe storage and efficient distribution of the finished product.
Everything seems to be in order here.
Yes, the shipment matches the manifest. Confirmed.
Here, the leftover fiber, known as bagasse, is used as biofuel to power the factory itself.
The factory is entirely self-sufficient. The gas is fed into boilers, creating the high-pressure steam that spins.
The wastewater is channeled into these large aeration tanks, where rotating aerators ensure high oxygen levels.